Okay, today we are going to be talking about division. So division, the best way to think of division is the opposite of multiplication. So for example, and I've written that here, so just think the opposite of multiplication. If I had 3 times 4, I know that 3 times 4 equals 12, and also 4 times 3, just the opposite, equals 12 as well. So when I'm doing division, I want to do the opposite of this. So I'm going to start with the big number and I'm going to divide by one of the small numbers. So for example, if I had 12 divided by 3, it would give me 4. That's just my fact family. And if I had 12 divided by 4, that would give me 3. So an easy way to do this, eventually you will probably start to memorize your division facts like you have your multiplication facts, but to start off with dividing, we're going to start by separating things into smaller groups. So if I'm going to keep using this 3 times 4 and 4 times 3 is 12, and the same with the division, I'm going to make 12 objects over here, and then we're going to look at how to divide the groups. So I have 12 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so right there is my 12 objects. If I'm looking at how to divide these objects into equal groups, I can look at ways at separating these objects. So I can make my groups of 3. So I have 3 groups. I have 12 things altogether. I have 3 groups with 4 things in each group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if I was doing it this way and wanted to make 4 groups, then I could separate my groups this way. So again, similar to the array. So there's 1 group, 2, 3, and 4. So for this one, it would be, I have 12 things all together. I've made 1, 2, 3, 4 different groups, and in each group are 3 items. So it just shows that breaking the bigger number down into smaller groups gives you your answer for division. So again, similar to arrays, just the opposite of multiplication when we are dividing. I will do one more example, and I'm just going to make the groups, and then we can think about what the division could be. So I'm just going to move my paper. All right, so if I have, I'm going to give 20 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's say I have the question 20 divided by 5, and I want to figure out what it equals. So I'm going to start by drawing my dots, or I already have my dots here, and now I need to make 5 equal groups. The thing with division is that your groups need to be equal. So if I'm looking here, here are my 20 dots. I need to figure out a way to separate these into 5 different groups. So if I look along the top here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if I go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I just have to make sure that each group has the same number in each. So if I'm looking 1, 2, 3, 4 in this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, each group has 4. So I know now that I have 20 things, I've separated them to 5 equal groups. Inside each group is 4. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. I hope that makes sense. Today you are going to practice using division and making groups as I've done here to help you solve your division problems. All right, see you guys later.